little shark swims through the sea, waving fins so happily. Bubble, bubble, floating by, tiny fish go swimming high. Splash, splash, swim along, come and sing our ocean song. Swim down low and swim up high, make a wave and say hi. Mommy shark is swimming near, giving little shark a cheer. Daddy shark comes swimming too, through the ocean bright and blue.